Why do some people think they can steal from the same store again and again and walk away like nothing will ever happen? Tonight's body cam footage takes you inside a case that spirals fast, warrants probation trouble, and a chase that ends with a reality check. Before we start, don't forget to hype this video. Your likes push this story to the world.
Did we deal with you before?
She looks familiar.
Yeah.
What happened to your knee?
Oh. It's been a long one.
So they already give you a rundown of what's going on, I assume, before they brought you back here?
She admitted that she
Okay.
noticed that she.
Okay.
Did I miss my court date?
I don't
Oh, yeah, warrants too, huh?
know. Do you have a driver's license in your purse? Or ID
No,
card?
because they didn't send me my ID. I don't know why. I waited and waited. I went to the shelter and asked her if they had my ID, and she said that she sent it back to the post office.
Okay. Alright.
Which it sounds familiar. Yeah, you've been around me before. You know me.
You've been walking around this store for like 2 hours. If my leg was hurting that bad, I'd go home.
Eastern Avenue suspended.
My head.
Shows an active 15.
I knew it sounded
Three of
familiar.
this agency stand by attempt to
What's that,
locate the
warrant?
hard copy.
Yeah.
missed
Yeah, I
my
knew your
court
name.
date.
So you said your name. I knew you had a warrant. So I seen your name
I wasn't
yesterday.
for sure if it was in July. I wasn't for sure when my court date was. I don't know. I'm such a fucking asshole. I'm gonna be sitting in jail for a while.
I don't know. You're on probation or anything?
Yeah. Is it gonna make me sit there?
You're clear.
520.
If it's a failure to appear warrant, I would
Hey,
imagine
you've
you'll see a
already done
judge in the
47
morning.
on your
Depending
welfare
upon what your
check guide,
probation
you
decides to
sent
do. If your probation violates you, if Cheyenne violates you, then maybe a few days longer or whatever.
He
But
is gonna violate me. I just got a feeling he is.
Wait on probation for it.
Petty theft from 3 years ago.
Already violated you, not checking out or what?
He didn't violate me, but I'm sure he's going to. I don't know.
was a PD though.
He's
so
probably
I'll
gonna
forego the
violate.
summons, then I'll just direct charge it.
What'd you say?
Oh,
What'd you say?
oh, nothing. I'm just going to attach if they want, in the event they want charges, which depending upon what the value of the items you took were, they probably will. Then I just leave it at the jail. I don't know.
We're gonna have to, because she has priors,
Ah, okay.
and,
Oh, man.
She been barred.
2 years ago. Yeah, she was already trespassed.
As I said, I've got rubber gloves in my car too.
Due to the priors, Rachel, we're gonna have to bar you again. You signed the last one, but I'll go over it again for you. That's all Walmarts in the world. That's Sam's Clubs and the Murphy gas stations. So if someone's shopping for you and you're seeing in the parking lot, technically they can call and you can be arrested for criminal trespass just being in the parking lot. I printed it out for you.
Oh, okay. I was just making sure. He said he had to do another one, so
Well, we always do a second one to re-up.
gotcha. Oh, because that restarts the time.
Yeah.
To reiterate.
Because you guys do it every 2 years now, don't you?
It's usually 2 years, but if they run, we hit them for more than 2 years. You know,
We have 1 year, 2 year, or
Indefinite.
indefinite,
I gotcha.
depending on what goes on, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So from my standpoint right now, Rachel, just being upfront with you, you're going to go to jail on the warrant, okay?
Yeah.
Sounds like you were barred from here previously from a theft, so you're going to be charged additionally with criminal trespass, and then the theft of the items taken, okay?
Yeah.
So my advice to you, once you get all this stuff taken care of, you probably ought to go to the hospital and get your knee looked at
Yeah, I got
Any on that?
prior to going in a store and trying to steal some clothes. Seems to be.
I don't have any clothes because stole my shit. They stole it.
I mean, I'll tell you right now, there's plenty of people running around town right now handing out clothes, like shitloads, and I mean shitloads of clothes. I see them all over town handing out clothes on tables. Police from here too.
I would say the only receipt we have right now is for the popcorn that she's got there with her. And is that receipt in the bag?
There's stuff in the bag.
Oh, inside the bag.
Yeah, some of that spray, makeup, stuff like that. Or the cans and stuff we're taking in here.
You bought a card too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's gonna be hers.
Yeah, we'll hang on to whatever.
She's got some like cup. The rest of the stuff's ours except for the trash. And then of course those on her feet are ours. And then get those off.
Maybe back to her by the. Did she put them on an end cap or on?
I'll go get them.
Okay.
I remember where she put them. I'll go get your old ones, okay?
Yeah.
So you always saw it.
I mean, you're gonna buy a cell phone, you should have bought a pair of shoes, you know what I mean? You're talking about holding this shit, but you're buying a cell phone. You gotta. Yeah, it seems like the priorities are a little out of whack.
Yeah, you're right. I gotta get my shit together.
You need to work with your probation officer to help you get your shit together. Because like everybody that I talk to that gets themselves in this mess and they're on probation and shit like that, there's plenty, more than enough resources out there. Obviously, not that I can provide you right this second, but that your probation officer and the courts can help you with.
If you never contact the probation officer, how are they supposed to help you?
Trust me, they don't want your ass on probation.
They don't want to chase you down and offer you help.
I know.
The faster they can get you off probation, the better. And the more willing you are to work with them and get yourself off probation, the faster they can get you off probation and get you off on the right foot, so you're not having to steal shoes and buy a phone and steal gummy bears and buy a fucking phone card. You know what I mean? And then steal clothes when there's places out there donating clothes out by the fucking metric ton all over Chillicothe.
Calling out of the dumpsters.
Yeah, and not even shit out of the Goodwill places, but people just handing them out on tables from their own houses. They're behind Valero almost every day.
Yeah, but I'm trying to avoid going down there because it's always, I don't know.
So this I guess would be your chance to start working with your probation officer a little bit more closely.
Yeah.
And dig into some of the untapped resources that you have to get you back on your feet. Because I mean, this for us is not the crime of the century. It's just somebody made a bad decision and isn't really prioritizing the shit that's going on in their life very well.
Prioritize the right way, you know, for my son. I wanted to do better.
How old's your son?
He's 13.
You have custody of him now?
Yeah.
What's he? I mean, where's he in school at?
Don't be digging through there yet.
I'm not. Put my money in there.
Okay.
Southeastern.
There you go. Yep.
Hell, like the same shoes. You stole her.
Yeah, they're just dirtier.
Tried to do the one-for-one swap for a new
They
remodel.
just wore down a little bit.
They wore down a lot because I can throw rocks to them with a walk.
Just traded them in for a new remodel.
You was all over the store for, must have been 2 hours.
So she's limping like she can barely walk. I said,
You about wore me out.
yeah.
No, my knee is like right.
Why didn't you just leave?
It's like nowhere, no,
Well, it
I
hurt
don't
until
know.
she got caught.
I don't know.
I don't want to sit down or something.
We're just gonna walk straight out that way where the cruisers are. I don't know if we can get out that side. We'll just go out this door right here. I don't think we can get out that one. All right, you guys put your arms in front of you. I'll cuff you in front, okay?
Yeah.
We're not fighting nobody. All right, good house seat in there. Nothing in your bra or in your underwear that's gonna get found at the jail.
No.
So I'm not searching you, obviously. So okay.
That makes sense. Dropped over here.
Her son knew a few people in that area, and I guess he was asking around. I'm sure your PO. I don't know if your PO will stop in and talk to you or how they do that here. I would assume he does at some point, or talks to you over the video during your court case, or how that works. You need to work closer with your PO though. They have far more resources, obviously, than what I have on the street. When everything's going through the courts have resources that I don't have. If it was just a theft, you'd see the judge in the morning. But you're on probation too, so I don't know how they'll work that out with you being on probation. You told me you were on probation. Yeah, so I don't know how that'll work with you being on probation. It'll depend on whether or not your PO violates you or not. Otherwise, you're going to see a judge in the morning.
Look at this.
Oh, is that where it's hurting at?
Look, you see how it's swelled up? It is.
Yeah, it does look a little swollen, doesn't it?
It's up over. It's one of the biscuits. Like, look at it. That's my kneecap.
Yeah.
I went and just picked that up.
All right. You got to slide out the best you can there.
It runs around my knee. Like, some days I'm fine, and then some days I can't get out of bed. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Gotcha. All right. Just head through that brown door that's open. Have you ever been here before?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this is what it took, but it's still, think about it as step one of getting away from the nonsense. You know what I mean? But you got to work with your PO a little bit closer, keep in contact with him, utilize whatever resources he's able to scrounge up for
I
you.
didn't want him, like, tripping on me because I hadn't got a hold of him. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Well, he's not going to trip on you for getting a hold of him if you need help. That's what he's there for.
I know.
He's not just there to breathe down your neck. You know what I
Right,
mean?
and I don't have anybody, like, I'm promoted out or that I don't have anybody. I don't know, like, kick my ass.
Yeah.
Life just kicked my ass.
I feel you. I've been on my own. I've been on my own since I was 17, so I know where you're coming from.
It's rough. Yeah. I mean,
And I'm 40 now.
Yeah. And even being a female, you know, these men are like, they expect things. Like, I don't know, it's messed up.
But like I said,
Not saying that I would do it, but you know what I mean? Like, if I know where to go and where to stay, you know, look at your, you know.
And I'm
So
gonna leave this with your, I'm gonna leave this with your property too. Okay.
Okay.
Her name is Joanna Denny. She's a social worker. She works for the police department. She's not law enforcement. So she has a lot of resources too.
Okay.
So between her and your probation officer, you should have no problem getting back on the right foot.
But as far as what?
As far as getting out from under whatever this war's for that's following you around,
Like I'm
getting a place to stay,
Yeah, that's
work on getting a job,
That's what stopped me from everything.
work on making sure you get all your medical shit taken
I
care
don't have
of.
a stable place over my head. You know what I mean? That's stressful in itself. Like,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah, I do know. I do know that. Yeah.
I'm not being big, but the other officers like, it's not funny. You don't even know what I've been through. I've been through a lot, man. It pretty sucks.
Yeah. And you have a kid. How many kids do you have? One, two.
My oldest son, he graduated. He's working at FedEx. He's doing great.
Yeah.
I mean, I've raised very good boys. You know.
Yeah, good.
I'm trying to, help start raising these boys, but I'm gonna get my shit together.
You just got to get back into that.
Yeah, once I get back,
Because you still want to hold it together for them, even though they're adults. Because eventually they want to come see their mom. You know what I mean? And they want to see their mom.
Be there for my kids. You know, want them to get married and have kids, grandbabies for me. You know.
And you got to be squared away for that.
I know.
That way they can come back and they can see their mom. They can bring their grandkids to see their mom, their grandma.
And my kids worry about me. You know what I mean?
I'm sure they do.